Hello friends, myself Dr. Hemant and today I'm going to explain you if you are preparing for NEET PG 2025 examination, then this video is for you. Okay, and this subscription program I am going to explain you how to crack NEET PG 2025 exam, how to study, how to plan, and how to prepare from today. This video is for those who are interns or those who are repeated, those who are not qualified this year. Okay, so in that NEET PG 2025 program, subscription program, I provide you subject-wise video. All 19 subjects I am going to deal. In each subject, I provide video like tables, important tables, plus graphs, plus images. Because nowadays in the exam, they like to ask a lot of MCQs from images. So all 19 subjects I am going to cover. I provide you very uh, important topics, graphs, tables in a very short and easy way. All 19 subjects I am going to cover. Also, additionally, I am going to provide you 600 recorded videos, high yield important topic wise, same day of joining. Plus, I provide you 8 small subjects like ENT, anesthesia, ophthalmology, orthopedics, psychiatry, such subject, radiology, 8 subject, 800 one-liner. They are very important and very high yield. Okay. Also, I provide you 100 important disease videos. So, if you want to prepare in a right track, right manner, with a right way, then this subscription program is for you. Also, every month, 2 important videos I provide you in this subscription program and 60-minute rapid revision video. So you think a lot of videos I'm going to provide you. So how to study, where to study, what not to study. Guys, I will give you updates also. What new updates are there? So after completion of this course, one video duration is 5 or 10 minutes, not more. After completion of this complete course, NEET PG 2025 exam, you are able to score rank under 1000 or below 1000 if you cover all this subscription. And one more good information for you. I also provide you demo videos on YouTube. I'm going to make a individual playlist, demo videos from radiology, demo video of subscription program for ophthalma, patho, pharma, every subject I provide you. Each 19 subject demo videos I will be provide you soon. So, if you are interested, if you want to join this subscription program, then this video is for you. Fee of this subscription program is just 7,000 rupees only. And how to pay 7,000 rupees, details available in description of this video. Last year, in year 2024 or this year 2024, strike rate from last 2 months rapid revision crash course is 70%. Around 70% MCQs they ask in exam from the same material which I provide. This year I'm going to add like 19 subject wise videos. Okay. Plus I provide you every month 2 very high yield topics I'm going to cover. For example, shock, obstructive, distributive shock, hypovolemic shock, hemorrhagic shock, cardiogenic shock, such shock, static shock. In single video I'm going to cover everything. So from this video, in your exam, you are going to receive definitely 2 3 MCQ. Such videos also I provide you. Even I guide you how to crack, how to study. So guys, if you like this video, put like on it. And if you are appearing in 2025 exam NEET PG, and if you are planned to attempt this exam, then this subscription program helps you to score excellent rank. So, fee of this subscription program is 7,000 rupees. And same day of joining, I provide you 600 recorded videos, 800 one-liners, 100 important diseases, plus 60-minute rapid revision video. And after joining this program, every month, two large videos from single video, you receive 2-3 MCQs in your exam. Your paper is out, 2-3 MCQs every month in your pocket around. So guys, one more thing, and subject-wise video also I provide you monthly. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, put like on it. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye. Namaskar.